Do you want to make hundreds of thousands of dollars online? Learn email copywriting. In this video, I'll show you my bulletproof formula to create highly converting emails. The moment you learn this formula, you'll change the way you send emails forever. Number one, you need to get attention grabbing headline. Must be short, clickbaity. The goal is to pick the interest of people and get them to open the email. For example, quick question, their names, hey, whatever their name is, etc., etc. You got the point. Number two, consists in having a personalized intro. This is very important. Surprise them by making that part about them. Make them feel special. That shows that you did your homework and it's not just another spam or mass email just like everybody else. When you do that, that shows you're serious and you increase the odds of success massively of them reading that next section. That makes you stand out from the crowd. It could be as simple as a comment on an article, post, event they made, whatever. Just go on LinkedIn or Twitter, where they hang out practically, and check what they do. Most top executives are active over there. If you don't know what to comment, for example, just check on Google or YouTube something that to comment on and on what they posted actually. For example, hey John, I hope you feel amazing. I noticed on LinkedIn you did skydiving the other day. The photo is absolutely stunning. Was it your first time? That picks their attention. They know that you did your homework. And again, you gave them a question. That makes them go to the next section. Make sure in this section to state where you saw what they did, the post or article, and give a positive feedback about it, followed by a question. So again, number three, having a pitch should be all about them. Plus, make sure you mention the benefit. The benefit must be a quantifiable metric in their industry that is going to motivate them and raise their curiosity. So, for example, we work with companies in the solar panel space, and recently we delivered 7 new clients to a solar panel company each week for 5 weeks in a row, and I would love to do the same for you. Got it? Number four, you close the email by getting them on the phone or a Zoom call, for example. Even if it could take slightly longer, make sure you tell them it's only gonna take 15 minutes, 30 max, but 15 minutes is the ideal to make it easy on them to book the call. Note that you never ask for many things at once. Ask for one thing at a time only, all right? So similarly, you never let it up to them to schedule a call later and let you know a time that's gonna work best for them. No, always close the email by sharing 2 to 3 times when you're available for a call, or tell them when they would be available to schedule a call, but right away. This way, you will make sure you get the appointment and don't need a follow-up email and remind them to tell you a time that works for them best, okay? So number 5, you close the email with a powerful PS section. This PS section is made to restate your value proposition. It's like the mic drop, you know, like whenever you're singing and they put like a big line and then they have this mic drop moment. That's exactly what we're doing here. This is our mic drop statement to leave a unique impression. So to build on the example I mentioned before, you could say our lead quality is extremely high and the solar panel company I mentioned above generated $300,000 investing just $20,000 with us in 30 days. Then they're gonna see, oh wow, my goodness, this is big. And you can see, I'm not exaggerating here. That's what you should be saying. Like they need to see like this value. You know, there is a big gap between how much they're gonna be paying and how much they're gonna be making. The more it is, the more the gap, you know, is they get more value out of and nothing compared like what they're gonna be paying you. You say, oh wow, that's amazing, that's a deal. So again, why we do that? Because our psyche as human beings, might not quickly connect the dots and see how valuable what we're delivering is. So when we're talking about numbers, we tend to be way bigger than at the time they could relate and see how big of a deal they can, like it is for them if they could just get the same results and hopefully book a call. So it's like if your first pitch didn't interest them, then the numbers game, because in the beginning you're gonna talk about how many clients you brought, people like them, right? But then the moment you're gonna be talking about the numbers, that might check their feelings. Then they can see, they can connect the dots. Oh, now I see how valuable it is. Oh, I can see now how it's gonna be profitable to my own company. So again, to recapitulate, ensure you write out 3 emails and test them along the way with different subject lines, offer pitches, and case studies to use them. Then it's going to be very obvious what grabs attention better than the others, and double down on what works, okay? So if you want to land high ticket clients on LinkedIn, make sure you click the video here or here. And I hope you love this video. If you found it valuable, I would highly appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And again, see you next time and be epic. Bye.